Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Outlook tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to enable the ruler in Outlook. This is actually quite simple and can help you to edit the design of your emails more efficiently. Let's open an Outlook email and we can see that there is currently no ruler active. How do we change that? I click on the icon with the down arrow at the top and go to More Commands. Here I change the drop-down menu to Commands not in the ribbon and scroll down until I find the ruler. After selecting the ruler, I click on Add and OK, and the ruler is already at the top here. If I now click on the ruler, it will also be displayed in my mails. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.